Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing well. Today is an exciting day. I'm not going to talk too long because my voice is trying to give out on me. So we're just going to get right into it. Today is transplanting day, guys. I've been waiting on this day. We have passed our last potential frost date. So I'm going to go get out here and transplant all these transplant that I've been holding hostage inside my house because a couple days ago there was potential like moderate frost coming through possibly. So I did not take that chance to leave them outside. I brought them in because I was like, I'm not going to let everything go to waste, my hard work. So I brought them in and I kept them hostage. But today I'm going to officially put them all back outside. Even if I don't get to transplant them all, I'm definitely going to try to transplant most of my tomatoes today. But yes, today is the day. From here on out and for probably the rest of the week, I'll be transplanting and prepping the other beds. But before we do that, I'm going to show you guys a quick walkthrough of the garden of how it's looking before I put everything out. And at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show where the DIY vermicomposting bin that I made in this first raised bed has done wonderful. It's done great, you guys. Like all the food that I put in there a couple weeks ago, the worms have demolished it. They did their job, okay? The food and the cardboard is like completely gone. It's empty, and that bed is looking like more luscious and beautiful than ever. And you can tell like the worms are, you know, doing what they need to do, and it's awesome and it's amazing. And I think I'm going to keep using that method. I'm going to put it probably in about 1 or 2 more beds out there in those high raised beds. But yes, let's get into this quick walkthrough of the garden, and then after that we're just going to get right into planting. Let's do it. All right, guys, so this is what we have. Everything from tomatoes to peppers, herbs, and maybe one squash or two. But yes, it's definitely time to go ahead and put these out. Look at this. This is a purple Cherokee. And this purple Cherokee I got from the farmer's market last summer. I bought 2 purple Cherokee tomatoes, and I just saved the seeds. I let them dry it out, and I planted them this season, and they are doing great. So excited. And as you guys can see, the aphids are already at it. Look at them. Oh my goodness. They're at it. This is the cinnamon basil that they're attacking. I knew it, but it's alright. I think where I went wrong is with that is where I brought everything in and put everything together, knowing that some of the pepper plants already had aphids on them. So I think they just jumped. And yeah, it's alright. We're going to handle it though. We're going to try to get them under control, keep them under control this year. If not, then we'll see what happens. Alright guys, that is it. That is all for today. I hope you all enjoy. I hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed. I got most of the tomatoes planted today. Not all. But me and Punky came inside to have some lunch. I may not get it done today. But I have a lot of tomatoes, more than I thought I had. But I'm going to give some away, and the rest that I have, I'm going to make them I'm going to make them fit in somewhere. Okay, we're going to make it work. But yes, that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoy. I hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed, indoor, outdoor, wherever you see fit to sow it. Just go out and sow it. Bye, you guys.